drilled holes. Fix the shelf with screws. You can freely trim according to your needs. First, measure the distance. Tear off the 3 meters adhesive. Stick it on the cabinet or wall. Plus, the link order must be correct. Link with the connector. The flat side of the connector is facing upwards. Put the cover on. Cut off the excess part. Link again using the link header. Then link the control box. Finally, connect the power. Long press to enter matching mode. Connect to the Tuya app when the lights flash.